Today we're at Disney World and we're gonna ride some rides and have fun and meet characters. Whee! That's the new Moana thing they just stopped building.
Yeah. You want to do it?
Yeah. We're going to ride on Soarin. There's Nemo. And Soarin's right over there.
Just for fun.
And we're only staying here for a day and we just got here.
Yep.
We just got here. And Soarin is our first ride we're gonna do.
Is it your favorite ride?
Yeah.
Favorite ride here?
I love Soarin. Do you know why? Because we actually take off to different places in real life. I think we're gonna miss our flight. We have to hurry. We're at the airport. We have to be quiet. But Soarin, we have to wait in line for our rides down there. We're going on our flight now.
Our seat compartment and our little aviators are using that center belly pump up link. Always fitting.
Was it fun?
Yeah, that flight was fun and it took us to a magical place.
Is that a ride that is it like a roller coaster?
No, it's a flight. It's a plane.
It's a flying ride?
It's not a ride like a flying ride. It's an airplane.
Oh, awesome.
And that airplane name is called Soarin. I want to find Ratatouille.
What's up?
There's a mouse eating bread on top.
Oh, yeah.
Might bite you.
He bit me.
I told you he might bite you. I think I'm gonna name that little blue mouse Ratatouille. We are in France and we're gonna ride Ratatouille. This is a ride where you get in a real mouse. Let's wait in the line. We're on Ratatouille.
It's a 3D ride?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
This is a real rat. We're gonna get in and we're gonna eat.
What do you think?
Good.
Good ride?
Yeah. I finally got yummy food in my tummy. Thank you, rat, for letting us get out and escape.
Keep an eye out for that little sea turtle, right? Somewhere around. Hello, my goodness, don't you look like a star-sized baby? How amazing. Now, I have a feeling you love to your favorite. Yes, your favorite. It's hard to remember every favorite book you've ever read, right? I only remember the one Jack and the Beanstalk. Chip and I are reading that one right now. Right at the part where Jack has just planted the magic beans. Chip is very excited to find out what happens next. Would you like to pull out your pretty dress just like me? Here you are, look right there.
We're gonna go meet Mulan.
Here, maybe? Oh, here she is.
Oh my goodness, join me, come on over. You've got such a beautiful dress on today, haven't you? You've got your beautiful shoes on as well. As you know, my shoes aren't as bright, but maybe you can take me to the city one day. You can help me pick out some bright shoes. Yes? What color should I get to match my dress? Blue. Then we can match as well, yes? Or perhaps I could have my mother pick out a blue dress for me next time instead of this one. And then we can have both of us blue dresses on together, and then we can have our blue shoes together as well. That'd be fun, right? And then we can go twirl together. so amazing. Would you like to take a portrait together? Wonderful.
Hopefully she doesn't take as long to do.
And she wants to take you shopping?
Yeah. Hopefully I meet her again and we can go shopping together, and she won't take as long to let me go shopping with her like Rapunzel's doing. She's
I
still
know.
not letting me bake a cake with her.
I know. Rapunzel, when you meet Rapunzel, you got to ask her, when are we going to bake the cake that you said last time we were going to do?
How to make chocolate chip cupcakes. I'll put chocolate frosting on it and then put little sprinkles of little polka dots just like your shirt. Is that a good idea? I love that idea. And can you come up with something ugly too to help me out?
Yeah. Since Snow White's not out here yet, I think she's cleaning her dress and getting ready to meet princesses and princes. I missed meeting Moana. I right when we were gonna get in line, she started leaving. But now we're going on to so. And Belle's teacup might be here.
And these clams will take us to the middle of the ocean?
Yeah, we can't just swim to the EAC.
Okay. You pick out our clam. Oh, nice. Just in time.
Wait a second, we need to help Marlon.
Okay.
Don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Oh.
That's jellyfish! Good. And I'm thinking... Jellyfish! I wonder if the clownfish takes the bunny. I wonder if the clownfish takes the bunny.
Friends, to the handrail, watch your step.
Did you see me almost get eaten by a shark? I was literally in his mouth.
I saw that. He spared you.
He spit me out. He spit. Well, actually, I got swallowed, but I tickled his throat.
You tickled his throat and he let you out?
Yeah, he spit me out.
Okay. Well, thank goodness he didn't bite you.
What's under these? A turtle, you are correct.
Oh.
We already got them all.
Those flippers
Yeah.
fool us. It's
A diver. What about these ones?
now that's a sea.
Seal.
Seal.
Uh-huh.
Look like a seal, but it's a surfer.
Surfer.
I like the squeaks on that.
Yeah.
Finding Nemo, he's right there. There's Grandpa.
That's Grandpa?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa!
bull. I can see
A boar? It's
a boar.
A boar. Awesome.
And I'm chewing on gum.
Okay, let's go see more animals.
Okay.
Let's go. If you had to name him, what would his name be?
Horns. Because he has horns.
Yeah. Okay, let's say bye to Horns.
Bye, Horns. Hopefully we come back and you're awake. The rapids. It's a boat that you go up in the water and you get wet.
Are you gonna get wet?
Yeah.
How wet do you think you're gonna get?
A lot wet.
Drenched? Completely drenched? Put the camera through there.
Yeah. Wait, Griffin, stop doing that. They just got off Everest and we found a monkey and I'm eating popcorn. Wait, there's another one in the hole right there.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, monkeys. What are their names? What's the black one? What is his?
Brownie.
Okay, and what's the brown one?
Cheesecake.
Okay, that's good. That's great.
Going on a ride, Avatar, and then that will be the end of my video. But we're in a laboratory right now, and they created a big avatar. And there he is in the tank. We're gonna ride a Banshee.
All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts.
Hi guys, now this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.